So in our code, instead of accessing the model, in the file locally, we're going to just access the model from S3. So from the top, we have our Bedrock client here. We have two different models, the LLM, and we have the text embedding model. In here, we are going to create a new service or access the S3 service, and we're going to go and get the object that we want. And we need to pass the bucket name and the key of the object or the file that we want to get, basically the name of the file. And then we're going to read the data, the bytes, and then we're going to open that up and save the information so we can load it up into the PDF loader. Now we're going to create the text splitter, chunks of 500 and overlap of 100. We're going to call the PDF loader, and we're going to pass the text splitter so we can create our chunks. We print our chunks. Then we prepare the vector store using the Facebook AI Similarity Search library. We pass the documents in the docs. We pass the text embedding model. Now we create a retriever from the vector store, and we return the tab 3 documents. And we have a new question here. We're going to ask, what is an agent? And an agent could be many different things, but we're going to provide some information, right, to our application, so it can be used as the context, right? So based on the context that we pass or the documents that we retrieve, is going to answer this question here: what is an agent? So then we create the prompt template where we can pass the context, we can pass the question, we create a chain that we can pass the prompt template to the model, and then we're going to see the results here. When we invoke the chain, we pass the context, which is the retrieve models, and we ask the question here: what is an agent? And this should give us back the answer. So let's see here. Basically, our chunks, right, which are the different chunks of the PDF file. We have the retrieved documents. So based on the similarity search that we executed, we requested the tab 3 more documents, right? And then from those documents, that's basically our context, we are going to answer the question: what is an agent? And now the bot was able to go back this answer here, right? So we have the same information we had in the PDF file, which now works with an S3 bucket. Here, let's see the output. We have basically our chunks, right, which are the different